Hi, I'm Ray McAdam and I'm here in the Charleville Mall Library to launch the Dublin Learning City Festival 2026. We all know education is the great leveller, and over the next 4 days there's more than 100 free events taking place as part of this festival, the length and breadth of our city. So please check them out, get involved. It promises to be a wonderful 4 days.
Lifelong learning and Dublin Learning City is all about taking opportunities throughout your life. Sometimes people face bumps or challenges along the way, or it takes them a different route or a longer amount of time to figure out what they are passionate about. So I really genuinely believe that there's opportunities for learning throughout the whole life cycle, and I also believe in there being supports there and there being different pathways there being someone at the end of a phone to talk to if you don't know about these supports or where you can go.
Learning to me means I've got more choice, and also since I've been on my learning journey I've made amazing friends, lifelong friends, and it's just more possibilities in my world of creativity.
Lifelong learning to me is a process. If you put your head up on the block, you're going to learn something new.
Lifelong learning is accessible to everybody. You can follow your passion and your dreams no matter when you realise what that is. It's available to everybody. There's funding supports available, so just go for it. Knowledge is power.